Cookies are being sold.
They don't got no leaves. Go ahead and look.
Let me sit down, Judah.
Now where we at? Judging? 3 already. You know, I'm gonna get on the job.
166.
166. Hold on.
Oh yeah, 165.
You said 165?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Open it up. We done went through a whole bag of them. I say get y'all some snacks.
Oh.
I say get y'all some snacks. We done already, the table was full already. That's what we do.
Where we at?
This Psalms 119 and 166.
165.
165. We gonna wait on that. Hey, give me some of the trail mix. It look kind of good. Let me see them trail mix right there. Yes.
There was another kind of trail mix in there. Did you grab that one? You got like another girl down.
Hold on. Let me get that one.
No cashews.
This is mine that I used
Oh, they do? I sure ain't brush my teeth.
I'm not the
Don't
eating
smell it.
store.
Hey, y'all, calm down. Man, we still in these scripts. It ain't time to play. You got it? Bring it out, Doctor.
Okay. Psalms 119 and 165. Great peace have those who love your law, and nothing causes them to stumble.
Mm-hmm.
Lord, I hope for your salvation, and I do your commandments.
Read that again.
Lord, I hope for your salvation, and I do your commandments.
Now go down to 155 and read that.
You said 155?
119 and 155.
Salvation is far from the wicked, for they do not seek your statutes.
Okay. Keep going.
My soul keeps your testimonies, and I love them exceedingly. I keep your precepts and your testimonies, for all my ways are before you.
Go ahead.
Let my cry come before you, O Lord. Give me understanding according to your word. Let my supplication come before you. Deliver me according to your word. My lips shall utter praise for you. Teach me your statutes. My tongue shall speak of your word, for all your commandments are righteousness.
Mm-hmm.
Let your hand become my help, for I have chosen your precepts.
Yup.
I long for your salvation, O Lord, and your law is my delight.
Let it go. Come on.
Let my soul live, and it shall praise you. And let your judgments help me. I have gone astray like a lost sheep. Seek your servant, for I do not forget your commandments.
That's right, man.
Because like verse 175, it said, let my soul live, and it should praise me. Let that judgment help me. And like, you know, because once you go in grave, your soul can't praise him no more.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So he basically wanted to prolong his life, so he continue to praise him. You know?
Go ahead, Doctor.
Okay. In my distress, I cried to the Lord, and he heard me. Deliver my soul, O Lord, from lying lips and from a deceitful tongue. What shall be given to you, or what shall be done to you, you false tongue? Sharp arrows of the warrior, with coals of the broom tree. Woe is me, that I dwell in Meshet, that I dwell among the tents of Kedar. My soul has dwelt too long with one who hates peace, I am for peace, but when I speak, they are for war. I will lift up my eyes to the hills, from whence comes my help. My help comes from the Lord who made heaven and earth. He will not allow your foot to be moved. He who keeps you will not slumber. Behold, he who keeps Israel shall neither slumber nor sleep.
That's right. So we got nothing to worry about, man. These are prayers that David prayed to the Most High, man. And through his times and troubles, he learned, man. You learn. You learn, man. Even in this captivity, man, sometimes your light might get cut off. Sometimes you might face eviction. Sometimes they might come take your car. And times get tough, man. Sometimes you might have to go without eating. But the Most High always provide, man. If you're patient and you don't lean to your own understanding, man.
And also, my bad. Also, you might go to a FEMA account. You feel me? And see how they praise. You keep the laws of the Most High.
Yeah.
They put that pork in front of you. Yeah. I'm not gonna eat that. Why would I come this far and and come to the end and bow down to a man who can even take my own soul? You feel me? Like, it don't make sense. You know what I mean? Fear not the man that take your body, but fear the man that take your body and soul.
That's right. We coming upon them times that now they saying that you hearing whispers of mandatory vaccine. Meaning if you don't take this mandatory vaccine, well, what's something we got to do with you? You know, hey, shut up. Judah, turn around and pay attention. We coming to times where they saying, well, you got to take this antidote. You know why? Because you become now you're a threat to all humanity. Because you're the only one that don't have the vaccine. That's how they gonna flip it. You a threat to the rest of us.
That don't even make sense though.
Yeah, but
ain't
it wicked?
Yeah, that's
That's
what they
wicked as
doing
hell.
though. That's exactly what they do.
Yeah, you're a threat to the rest of humanity.
But everybody got vaccines.
And the ones who get the vaccine is the one who died.
Right. So since you don't want to take this vaccine, and we gotta separate you from all population. We gotta put you where the other people that don't want to take this vaccine is at. And you know what they're gonna be doing to them people there? Well, you must be a damn Israelite. What's your religion? What you believe in? Tell us right now. And then now all of them gonna be Israelites. Some of them gonna be Buddhists. Some of them gonna be Muslims. You know what I'm saying? Because it's about people that believe in they religions. So it's gonna be all types of people that got in the FEMA camps. But they're gonna have something special for them Israelites.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we found an Israelite.
He get the specialty.
We found a Hebrew. We found some fringes on his shirt. Bring them out. You know what I'm saying? We found some fringes on his shirt. So, hey, y'all calm down. So we gotta know, hey, they're gonna be trying to take children too. So you gotta be ready. Like I read in the second Ezra, it said these are the ones that stood firmly. And it says Ezra commended them. So he was like, wow. The angel showed him in a moment of time what they went through on earth, man. And he thinking maybe, wow, I wonder if I could even went through that. You feel me? These are the ones that stood firmly. So all heaven is honoring these people, man. Like I said, when you get to heaven, you're not gonna need no name badge. You're not gonna have to sign no sign-up sheet. Well, what's your name? Or Gracie Savato? Hey, this is Gracie. No, man, they gonna know who you. That's Gracie! Oh! They gonna, hey, get her wrong, hey! Get her a plate. Hey, what size is you? They gonna be moving fast, man. Getting you together. And you gonna be like, wow, this is, and then, Abraham gonna come give you a hug. You know what I'm saying? They gonna come salute you.
Yeah, how shy?
You made it, my daughter. Come on, come and sit. Come sit at my right hand. Yahweh Shai gonna smile at you. You gonna see the Most High sitting on the throne. He gonna give you the nod.
That blue throne.
Well done. You gonna be in awe. Feel me? It ain't like you gonna go in there. They gonna. Well, anybody Did anybody know she was supposed to be here? And nobody know who you is? No, man, they gonna know who you is, man. They gonna have your stuff ready, man. This the hope that we wait for, man. You gotta, if you can't see it, then you gonna be in trouble.
And you're gonna be like, hey, your mansion is right down to the left.
That's right.
Right next door, across the street from your father's house.
That's right.
Everybody go have their own mansion.
Right. Because
we,
we was listening to you as a kid throughout your whole life. And we always knew what type of house you wanted. We heard you say it. So we got one just like that for you.
Real talk. I'll go.
Follow me.
Because
you know what I'm saying?
And also, the only ones who are allowed to like go literally into the golden kingdom is us.
That's it.
That's the Revelation 21 verse 12.
And while we at it, this your angel. And hey, get her a few servants. Bring some Edomites, man. Come on, get some Edomites. The Edomites gonna be
right.
They gonna be scurrying behind you and shit. You know what I'm saying? Coattailing your dressing. Make sure it don't fall on the ground.
Real talk. Scurrying
and shit. With their heads down. It's gonna be like, is that Donald Trump? Hey,
and also
that's damn Ellen DeGenerate.
Real talk.
Damn right.
Stop.
And he
is that Lindsay Lohan? Hey,
you be right here. And I need to go to the restroom. I need like 6, 7 Edomites to carry me to the restroom. But the restroom is like literally right here to the right of me. You feel me?
Right.
And you feel it like, hey,
you got that bottle again? Let me show you what we gonna do to him in the kingdom. Get that bottle. Where that bottle? Give it to your mom. You know, we're gonna tell Edomites, man. Well, hey, bring me some water. They gonna bring the water. Bring it over here. Come on. You know that shit out. Hey, and you bring me some lukewarm water,
right?
What am I saying? Hey, get that shit out of here. Hey, look, let me show you, man. We not finna be nice to them because let me show you the shit that they was doing to us, man. Let me show you some of the shit they was doing to us, man. We can't be nice to them. You see this shit? You see it, I
don't even like looking at shit like that.
You see it? No. We
look at this shit.
You have to see it, bro. You gotta visualize it, or you're not gonna have that fury that you need. And every time you look at these motherfuckers and what they did to your people, you gotta be reminded of that. You got reminded they had a fun game at the fair called Hit the Nigga Baby.
Yeah, I seen that.
Where they would take your kid and kill your baby, man. Hit him with baseballs, rocks and shit.
And he's out there crying.
You know, and white people can pitch. They always been good at that shit. So they smack you right on the middle of your face. Bam! And they laughing and shit. Baby crying and baby done passed out and shit. Blood oozing from the baby face. And they, oh, good throw!
Right.
Good throw!
Right.
Oh no, man. Y'all got to pay for that shit.
Right.
I'm not gonna be merciful when they ask, man. I'm not gonna be gracious. And I'm getting more and more impatient with these Edomites the more I come into this truth. Because when I first came into this truth, it was a hard thing for me. I couldn't get the past. No, man, we can't look, man. We can't be treating these white people like this. That's what I say. Okay, I'm an Israelite, but man, you know, y'all tripping, man. How y'all treating these Edomites, man? That's how it was when I first came into this kingdom, into this truth. And then the more the truth started coming to me, I understood more, man. These, hey, the Most High said reward her double. Go ahead,
I got precept. Let me get it. This is Sirach chapter 1 verse 18. Sirach chapter 1 verse 18. No, my bad. Ecclesiasticus. My bad. Ecclesiasticus. Listen here.
Where's my gun?
Ecclesiastes what?
1 and 18. Chapter 1 verse 18. About what you just said. It's a for in much wisdom is much grief, and he that increased knowledge increased sorrow.
That's right.
I I get more angry. Each and every day, bro, my tolerance for the Edomites get lower and lower and lower, bro. To the point I'm lashing out the stores now.
That's a perfect precept.
You know what I mean? I'm really like, I'm approaching them on hot shit now.
Right.
You feel me?
Right.
That's how bad it's getting.
That's how Shanetta be sometimes.
Sorry,
I'm
no
with
talking.
Marcus.
She be having
Let
zero
one of the
tolerance.
white boys say something crazy. Ain't no talking. I'm trying to tell you.
Zero tolerance, man.
Cause like the Edomite who down there preaching, it's like that. He like, God bless y'all, bro, go to hell.
All I did was laugh. I was like,
Right.
I'm like, bro, it ain't no, you can't pray for us, bro.
Right.
You can't pray to say to us no more. They don't work for us. They don't work on us no
We
more.
don't mess with white Jesus, man.
Huh. And he like, what they got to do with that color? He even brought out, you supposed to worship in truth.
Take it over.
And what? How you gonna? You should
Spirit
worship
and truth.
Yeah,
Look it down.
spirit
Take
and
it over.
truth.
Mhm.
So that's why you should acknowledge that
color.
he's a dark skinned man.
Right.
Because like they the scriptures say they know not what they worship, for salvations of the Jews.
Are the Jews?
But you go back, they do not even know who they worshiping.
Right.
You don't know the God in this book, bro.
Right.
You feel me?
He said, you don't know who you worship. We know who we worship.
Right.
You know what I'm
And we
saying?
know his salvation is
Right.
only for us.
For the Jews.
Con. So
So put that book down.
con.
Put my book down, basically, man.
And he was confounded. He couldn't say nothing. He like, damn.
We taking our Bible back, man.
Con. I said, what you even doing? Well, you got the new KJV, so you keep your new KJV. But don't pick up no
he
KJV.
thinks the Jewish people are God's chosen people.
Yes, bro.
The Jewish.
Yes.
Okay, that's
He like, why are they back in the land of Israel? 1948. All the statistics we always bring up, he bringing up.
Mhm.
And I'm like, but then in the scripts it said,
God
when we go
bring
back
us
to
back.
Israel, it ain't gonna be no more wars. It's gonna be straight peace.
That's
He
right.
said, I ain't never seen that script before.
Bring it up. Yeah.
And also,
You go ahead, God.
also, the most I say you bring Israel back.
That's right.
America took the Amalek over there.
Right.
The most I didn't take them over there
Right.
physically.
Right.
Because we're going back physically by the Most High with the chariots and these ships that's coming from overseas and stuff to bring us home.
That's right. He said it was gonna be peace, man.
Yeah.
It ain't been peace since they've been over there.
Exactly.
He said they was gonna be in the land without walls. They got big ass walls over there, bro.
Con.
They got big ass walls over there, and they sending missiles over them walls all damn day,
Mhm.
and they not gonna stop until them white people get them over there.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? He said when we get back over there, it's gonna be the desert is gonna change into the garden, like the Garden of Eden.
And it's starting right
It's
now.
beginning right now, so you know it's our time to get over there.
Con.
You know what I'm saying? So like I was telling Shanetta mom last night, and she got mad. I said, look, man, y'all think this a joke? Y'all not gonna think it's a joke when y'all see all these chariots flying over the top of you and shit.
Con.
You know what I'm saying? And they going east,
Con.
all of them. And you looking, trying to figure out what's going on. Let's go over Shanetta and them house, and you can't find none of them.
Con.
You go in there, the door still closed, the door still locked, the car's still there.
Precept.
You know what I'm saying? But they gone.
It's a precept right here.
Sayonara. hey, see you on the other side. Shit.
And like, you know, with all this, you know what I mean, prophecy fulfilled, like right now, you know what I mean, Israel's blooming, flowers coming out of literally in the middle of the desert now.
Right.
You feel me? Amalek, you know, getting bombed on a daily now. They getting shut down with water hoses and getting killed right now by their own government. You feel me?
Good.
This is Romans chapter 13, verse 11.
Righteous judgment.
And that, knowing the time, that now it is high time to wake out of sleep. For now is our salvation nearer than we believed it.
Right.
And like, you know what I mean, Israel blossoming and all that stuff, they say it's a prophecy fulfillment in the book of Isaiah.
Guaranteed. Yeah. Yup.
Book of Isaiah. Because a lot of prophecy
What
in
is
the Old
it? Ain't
Testament.
it 51 and 3?